You gotta wonder why.
What?
She
Why
would
here?
nest there, yeah, in such a busy location.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Busy location, but also this little patch looks probably kind of inviting.
Yeah, yeah,
Shady.
true.
Probably water closer than I realized.
It's probably the daddy over there,
Oh, look at the
I
letter.
don't see him.
right here.
Oh, probably.
Hi, Goose.
He probably doesn't like this.
Because they do take care of their own
Yeah.
really well.
Hi. Hi, Big Goose.
Interesting. Well, stay happy.